Hello students, I hope you all will be well. So the poem which I have to explain or discuss, and this poem name is When Sachin Walks Out to Bat. So this poem tells about the batting of the Sachin when he used to come at the pitch, so how he played there. And this poem is written by Ruskin Bond, who is very popular writer or the poet. He has written so many short stories and the poems related to the nature and children. So one of them is this, that when Sachin walks out to bat. So he was amazed by the batting of the Sachin. So he thought that I have to write something about this great cricketer whose name is Sachin. So he started his career at the age of 15 when he played against Pakistan. So it was the first ODI. Thereafter, at the age of 16, he started his test debut also against Pakistan's means the same team, and thereafter he made so many records in the history which made him popular. So nobody except this cricketer made such kind of records. Because of this he got so many titles or the nicknames by which he is remembered, and these are Little Master, Master Blaster, God of the Cricket, because he used to play in such a way that nobody could expect. The way he used to push the ball, so it was very amazing, it was very different from the others. So because of the different tactics which he used in playing cricket, so because of this reason he is okay, he has given this title that God of Cricket. Now everybody has fallen in love because the way he played, so everybody loved that thing. Now come to the poem, that what is written about this player or Sachin. So there is hush around the ground, and then the deafening sound of many voices raised to fever pitch as young as one young man steps out. So firstly you have to understand this, that there is a hush means that when anybody comes, so we all know that silence ठीक है starts और silence ठीक है occurs. तो ये होता है आपका कि जनरली कि अगर कोई आता है आपका तो बिल्कुल खामोशी सन्नाटा सा छा जाता है आपका. सो ठीक है इट यूज टू हैपन ठीक है इन द ग्राउंड when he used to come at the pitch for batting, and then the deafening sound of many voices raised to fever pitch. So deafening sound means that there is a loud voice and it was for cheering. So those spectators who are waiting that when Sachin will come and he will play, so so the cheering sound which was very high, so it was raised by the spectators generally, and it was of एक्साइटमेंट है ना. आप होता है ना कोई इंसान आता है तो बड़ी खुशी से किसी चीज़ों को आप क्या करते हैं, इनवाइट मीन्स वेलकम करते हैं आपका. सो इन दिस वे दैट सचिन वॉज वेलकम्ड बाय द स्पेक्टेटर्स बिकॉज दे है ना यूज टू वेट फॉर द बैटिंग ऑफ दिस क्रिकेटर. So as young man walks out, because he was very young, so he started his cricket at the very young age. So at that time he was very young. So steps out mean when anybody comes and his bat in hand. आप देखते हैं जब भी कोई क्रिकेटर ये बैटिंग करने के लिए आता है आपका, so he would have these things in hand, that is the bat, and thereafter that he gives a little hitch of shoulders as he takes his stance. So stance means that position है ना. So when anybody comes to play, so they have to take the position also means stance and little hitch, so that they have to just move their parts so that they can stand properly in a proper posture. So this was used to done by the Sachin when he ठीक है used to come for the batting. Then give the waiting field a glance of friendly favor, for he is not the one to fret or look askance at hostile fielders near the bat. So he is used to that. Now that what they are telling के ठीक है when ठीक है he stood at the pitch, जब वो खड़ा होता था आपके पिच के ऊपर आपका, सो जो वेटिंग फील्ड है आपका है ना, दोज fielders who are waiting, that how they have to just protect the field so that they can stop the shots of this cricketer. So after standing at the pitch, Sachin used to look कि है ना फील्ड कैसे बिछी हुई है, पिलर्स कहाँ कहाँ है आपका. सो ही took a brief look so that he can arrange himself also, or he can use those tactics so that he can means push the ball to the boundary. तो है ना he did not get means we can say that irritate or angry कि इस तरह की pitch है, that how I would play in such a situation. So he never hostiled by looking those things or those situations in the field, because he was very habitual of that, so he became habitual of those conditions. So he was very cool person at that time, and he had one thing in mind, that well focused on the ball, not bowler. What we do, है ना, if we have any goal, so we have to just focus on that goal, don't deviate from it, है? So there are so many challenges, difficulties will come. So whoever the person is, so it doesn't matter, but I have to just फोकस ऑन द मेन थिंग. जैसे ये कहा जाता है कि अर्जुन को जब तीर चलाने के लिए कहा गया था आपका, सो ही फोकस्ड ओनली ऑन द आई ऑफ दैट बर्ड, नॉट ऑन द बर्ड, है ना. सो मीन्स दोज हु आर वेरी फोकस्ड ऑन द गोल, सो दे यूज टू डू दिस थिंग. So its spin or swing would not trouble him. So we know that when bowler comes for bowling, so they also use different techniques. So कहीं ना कहीं इन स्विंग है, आउट स्विंग है आपका, स्पिन है, फास्ट है, बाउंस है आपका. सो दे यूज डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ बॉलिंग सो दैट दे कैन क्रिएट फियर इन द माइंड ऑफ द क्रिकेटर. बट दीज थिंग्स डिड नॉट, ठीक है, ट्रबल cricketer means Sachin. He just steps out and gives the ball a handsome clout. Not, it is not so simple. So when ball came nearby his bat, so what he used to do, so उसको बड़े आसानी से बाहर निकल के थोड़ा सा स्टेप्स आउट करने के बाद आपका that he pushed the ball a handsome clout means that sound was very handsome, so it was not very high sound, and he pushed the ball so that it can reach to the boundary. So it was not so simple, है ना. What happens that if anybody is playing very in a very comfortable manner, so it's not, ठीक है, because of this that he is very popular, because he has made so many things, ठीक है, he practiced so much. So it is not so simple, है ना. It looks simple because that he played in such a way that it doesn't look difficult. So how, ठीक है, these things happened in the cricket history of this person. So year of practice have gone into that shot, whatever the shot that he took while playing, so that was, ठीक है, done, or that was, ठीक है, pushed by the bat, because that he practiced for that shot many times while practicing, है ना. So that clip past point that drive to cover. So what it means, that you can look into this, okay, that when anybody wants to pass the ball so that it can reach to the boundary, so है ना, it was a very handsome click. तो बहुत ही तेज़ी के साथ हिट करना आपका, सो दैट वो बाउंड्री से बाहर आपकी बॉल चली जाए आपका. तो द वे ही, है ना, took the batting, so it was very nice. That lofted six into the crowd, है ना. So lofted means lift up, तो बॉल को ऊपर उठाएंगे when it is going, ठीक है, in the crowd or in the spectators area, so it can be a six. तो इस तरीके से आपका उसके सिक्स हुआ. नॉट टू हम्बल, नॉट टू प्राउड. तो जो शॉट जो खेले जाते थे आपका सचिन के ज़रिए, सो दीज वर नॉट सो सॉफ्ट ऑल्सो और नॉट टू बी टू फास्ट. सो बोथ कम्बिनेशन वॉज देयर, मीन्स इट वॉज, ठीक है, लिटिल बिट हम्बल ऑल्सो, लिटिल बिट प्राउडी ऑल्सो. ही स्ट्राइक्स अ बैलेंस एज विद ग्रेस. सो है ना, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी स्किल्ड प्लेयर, so he made a balance so that nobody, you know, means will have a surprise ke that how, ठीक है, he played such shot. So in this great game he hold his place. What is his secret, what is his plan, what makes this boy a wonder man. So what are the secrets this person has, or the Sachin has, that how he planned, that how he would play while he would stand on the pitch. So everything is planned by this person. So the answer, friend, is all too plain. He truly learned to love the game. So answer is very simple, है ना. So there is no need to worry, because if anybody loves the game which he is playing, so obviously that person, ठीक है, will give the best. तो आप कोई भी वर्क कर रहे हैं आपका, यू हैव टू जस्ट लव दैट गेम. इफ़ यू आर एक्साइटेड है ना टू प्ले दैट गेम, इफ़ यू आर एक्साइटेड टू अचीव एनी थिंग, सो दैट थिंग विल गिव यू हैप्पीनेस ओनली, नथिंग. ठीक है, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप कोई भी चीज़ अपने खुशी से कर रहे हैं आपका, यू विल गिव योर बेस्ट. ठीक है, बट इफ़ यू आर चूजिंग दोज थिंग्स ना विच, ठीक है, डू नॉट मेक यू, ठीक है, एक्साइटेड, सो दैट विल क्रिएट ट्रबल इन योर लाइफ. So we should love whatever we do so that we can get excellence, है ना. So, in this way that we can get the popularity among the people, so which Sachin did. So I hope that you've understood this video. So please like and subscribe this channel. So thank you so much. Bye everyone.